Short videos are exploding on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Accounts are racking up millions of followers in weeks with lightning fast edits, brain hacking visuals, and psychology driven hooks. And here's the twist: AI handles roughly 70% of the work. Whether you are a faceless creator, personal brand, or business, this step-by-step playbook will transform your content. Step 1 is to pick your niche and deconstruct a winner. First, you want to choose a topic that fires you up and that people cannot scroll past. Think power dynamics, body language secrets, dark psychology, hidden history, relationships, religion insights, or subconscious mind. Next, find a page in that niche with explosive growth. For example, Zoldium has shot up to 1.4 million followers in just a few months. Watch their top post and note how they open each video, the pacing, the visuals, the sound design, and the exact moment they drop the hook. Once that is sorted out, next step is to get verified and real information. Great storytelling stands on facts. Head over to scholar.google.com and search your niche. For example, I'm going to search dark psychology manipulation. Click through to reputable journals or university papers. Skim abstracts and introduction until you find the solid takeaway. Key statistics, surprising study results, or concise definition. Now, you want to copy those findings, whether it is bullet points or short paragraphs, then head over to ChatGPT. Here you can start a new chat or create a project. Use a prompt that forces it to quote only from your source. This will safeguard accuracy and ensures your viewers get real, credible information. For example, here's my prompt. I want to create a viral dark psychology video with real information. I will give you different video scripts in this project and you will help me using only the information I give you. Now you will reverse engineer your model page. For this, identify 3 best performing videos, usually the ones with highest views and engagement. Then use a free AI transcript tools. In this video, I will use Riverside FM. You simply want to paste each video URL and wait a few seconds. Now you can either download or copy the full transcript. In the same way, do the same for more scripts. Now you will have example scripts showing precisely how they structure each piece: intro, build-up, hook reveals, and calls to action. Moving on to next step, you want to fuse research and scripts in ChatGPT. For this, open the project you have created, upload your research snippets and the transcripts you just downloaded, then feed it your viral script prompt. Ask ChatGPT to blend the verified facts with pacing, hooks, and styles you observed. In seconds, you'll have a first draft that feels both authoritative and hypnotic, ready to tweak for tone and clarity. Next step is the most important part, which is voiceover. A standout voiceover makes or breaks your video. For this video, I'm going to use Hume AI. You can simply sign up to Hume AI. They give you 10,000 free characters each month. You want to browse their voice library and find the vibe that fits your niche. Now, paste your script, click generate, and download the resulting MP3. Hume's emotional engine gives you words with natural inflections, which makes the viewer stay hooked. Once you have downloaded the MP3, you want to open up any editing software. For this video, I have selected CapCut. Now, you want to import your voiceover. Your voiceover needs a backdrop, subtle mood-settling music. For that, browse CapCut's built-in library, which has royalty-free options, or grab tracks from any free source. Now you want to drop in music at a low volume and apply CapCut's music enhancement filter. Now it's time to edit your video. You will require source B-roll and visuals for this. The best platform is Pinterest. Now, if you are confused as to what to search in Pinterest, you can head over to ChatGPT and ask for keywords. Now, you want to copy those phrases and head to Pinterest. From here, you can get hundreds of images and videos. Paste in keywords and download the top clips. Once you have downloaded all the videos and images that you need, head over to CapCut. Now you want to import all the images and videos, then align it with the audio. Now every top page has a look. Create a custom color grade, adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, and tint until you hit a moody cinematic vibe. Save it as an adjustment layer in CapCut so you can slap it onto future videos with one click, ensuring brand consistency. For that dark immersive feel, tack on one or two vintage layer, just enough to darken the edges and draw eyes towards the center. Play with feather and opacity until it feels natural, never too heavy. Next step is to generate and style captions. Turn on CapCut's auto caption or use a free subtitle tool. Choose a bold, legible font, add a subtle drop shadow, and animate each line with a 0.2 second fade in. This gives your text a polished, dynamic look without slowing the pace. Now that you've built the workflow from research to final edit, repeat it for every new topic. At the end, your videos will look something like this.
You're at the office birthday party. Bob brings out a chocolate cake and asks, "Anyone want a slice?"
Use ChatGPT to brainstorm catchy titles, thumbnail text, and keywords list. But remember, AI is your accelerator, not a replacement for your unique creative spark. You want to keep that raw authenticity, lean into AI for speed, and watch your Reels, Shorts, and TikTok climb the charts. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.